No fleet of UFOs can wash these bloody sins away. This bottle of tequila will do fine. There's a kid on the corner with a pigtail playing basketball with a stop sign, with the street lights out and zombies about. I'm sure glad he's not mine. Not mine, not mine. I'm sure glad he's not glad that he's not mine. We'll take the back roads up the coast, behind the click-clack-clacking of the pickup truck with the big black dog in the flatbed. And if he's nice, for his sake I hope he's nice. And tonight we'll make love and watch the satellites collide. Collide, 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 satellites. Just imagine what our ancestors would say. Just imagine what the aliens will say. Good evening, my love. Please tune your radio dial randomly. I believe the circus is in town. Step right up, I'll tell the tale of monkey see, monkey do, monkey did, and now the trees are confused. And the days they have no names, no names, no names. The days they have no names. Debating what to do with all this extra time. If we don't have the money, we'll just have to burn what we can find. Stomach aches and salivate, and I think I just hallucinated. Baby, take the wheel before I calcify our fate. Our fate, our fate, I calcify, calcify. Just imagine what our ancestors would say. Just imagine what the aliens will say. Mr. Clean. Sorry. Kill the headlights, check out that crimson sky. These clouds look heavy enough for rain. Climb in the back and put on your strapless dress, we're gonna celebrate. Dance like they did before the dust bowl blew the seeds away. Dance like an ancient elder, oh how we'll pray for rain. Dance and pray,